and this video will show you how to fix if you can't add friends on Steam. So this is because you have not spent any money on your Steam account. That means your account is limited and you can add friends into your Steam account. What you need to do is you need to spend the minimum amount, which is $5 on Steam. So first of all, you need to click your profile in the top right corner and click View My Wallet. And from here, you can top up your account balance. The minimum amount is $5. As I told you, you need to add $5 to your Steam account, and this is not enough. You need to spend this $5 in store. So you can click on Add Funds right here, use any payment methods, and add this money to your Steam wallet. After you will add $5 to your Steam account, then you can go to the store and you can find any games that cost $5 or more. And after you will purchase the game, which is $5 or more, you will be able to add friends into your Steam account. To add friends, you just need to click your profile, go to friends. In the left menu, click add a friend, and from here you can add friends to your Steam account. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.